Okay, y'all, so the hair is washed. You see the fro is unleashed and it's time for conditioning. Okay, so instructions for conditioning because we need to make sure that we follow instructions. That's why they're there. They ain't waste their time coming up with instructions so we don't use them. And then slather on clean, damp hair, homotone, and detangle using a wide tooth comb, paddle brush, or your fingers. Okay? Rinse well and style as usual. Oh, oh, hmm. I'm going to shake this product because it is an organic product and some organic products do separate if you haven't used it or haven't used it for a while. Either way, because the ingredients are natural, we want to make sure that we okay. I actually have not dried my hair at all since I got out the shower, so hence all the water droplets. So we're just gonna take this and do some gentle squeezes. What am I doing? Tossing this towel up, you say? I'm finding drier spots so that, you know, we can get the full use of the towel here. It's a microfiber towel. So I can do this and then none of my hair is coming out with it. Okay, no lint is going to be left in my hair from using this microfiber towel. I highly recommend that if you have a coily, kinky pattern like mine, to use a microfiber towel to towel dry your hair. Okay. All right. She damp. Okay. So that's just damp hair. And what I'm going to do is, like I said, oh, she thick. Okay. So this product is the thickest of the thickest. Okay. So yeah, look at that. Very thick. Ready to use. Okay. All over. And it's like damp hair. And therefore I'm using like a lot because it wasn't spreading over my hair because of the dampness, right? So they want your hair damp, but that conditioner felt so good and smelled so good. Okay, so I'm spreading it around before I start to comb it out. Look at me checking my nails to make sure I ain't pulling any of my hair out. But if you're gonna use your fingers, guys, I highly suggest filing your nails before putting your fingers up in your hair, unless you want haircut by now. Yes, so this is me going ahead and working that on up in there. And then you're gonna see me attempt to go ahead and separate my hair and section it out so that we can, comb the product through thoroughly. And I chose to use a brush to do that. And yeah, and then afterwards, I'm gonna rinse it out again. Okay, so I'm finally about to start brushing my hair, but before I do that, you see me still working the product in. And what you see me doing with my hands right here is called, like, they call it the prayer hands. And then, so I'm working the product from my root to the ends, okay? From root to the ends, okay? And then I'm telling y'all, I'm starting to brush my hair from the ends up to the roots. Okay, brush from the ends like so, and then work your way up towards the roots. Okay, don't rush, increment by increment, and detangling will be so much better, and you're not going to lose as much hair.